Today we are going to discuss about Module 1 of Quantity Surveying and Valuation. Quantity surveying is a schedule of quantities of all item of work in a building. The data required for the preparation of estimate or quantity survey are drawing, specification, rates and actual finished work. So quantity surveying is mainly intended to take the whole quantity of items that going to construct in a building. Okay, so there are different requirements are there. We already specified. The first one is drawing completely and fully dimensional drawings, that is plans, elevations, sections and other details of the building or work are required. So drawings are different types of drawings are required to find out the complete quantity of the items. So mainly, for example, architectural drawings, structural drawing, electrical drawings, mechanical drawings, and different types of drawings are there. By taking the each specifications, we are going to calculate the exact quantity of the items. Normally we are here we are going to take the architectural drawings. In drawings there are different types of drawings. There's plans are there, sections are there. So depending upon the which dimensions we are going to take, it differs. Next one is specifications. Specifications, there are different types of specifications there. Detailed specifications and general specification is there. Detailed specification gives a nature, quality and class of work, material to be used and the quality of material, the proportions and method of operations are required. So specifications mainly intended to what nature of material you have to use, how much quality you have to do, and what class of work and material to be used. The quality of materials should be maintained in every work. For that, the specifications is given. Detailed specifications that gives the detailed briefing of particular works. General specification is just the brief of the important works. Next one is rates. Rates, various items are material to be used in the constructions. Wages of different categories of labor, skilled or unskilled. That means there are different types of labors are there, and the cost of transportation charges to be available for the preparation of estimate of works. So here we have to consider the rates also, depending upon the different regions. So example, in India also the price variations are coming to state by states. So for every state the rates are arranged in depending upon the current market. So the data book is there, the rates. So right now it's 2016 scheduled rates are there. In that for per meter cube of a particular quantities rates can be taken, and also the labor's rates for particular amount of works is also can be noted. So the rates is very important for doing the quantity. Next one is actual finished works. The quantities can be calculated from the actual work done in the project sites. So this type of importance data are required before preparing the quantity survey. Next one is what are the importance of quantity survey, for what we are doing this quantity survey. So first one is to estimate before the construction starts probable cost of construction for the complete work. Before doing a construction, we should know how much amount of money we have to spend. For that we have to do the quantity survey. To estimate the quantity of various items, it is materials required and the labor involved for the satisfactory completion of construction project. So how much material we have to require and how much labor we have to require to complete the work. So we have to schedule the entire works to the accuracy of per day. Per day how much material you have to require, per day how much labors you have to require. So we have to do the quantity survey. It also useful to check the work done by the contractors using and after the executions. Also, payment to the contract is done according to the actual measurement of completed part of each items. So it is used to check the work. We can check how much amount of works we can be done. So it's also a tool to check the completion of works. Next one, fourth one, a complete estimate is useful to provide advice to client. It is valuation of properties and fixation of rent for insurance claim for the purpose of resolving disputes by third parties, etc. These estimations are helpful to do the above mentioned cases. These are the importance of, or you have to, what are the requirements, what is the need of quantity survey. So next one is the type of estimates. Type of estimates are mainly classified as preliminary or approximate estimate. Preliminary or approximate estimate, and second one is detailed estimate. Next, third one is quantity estimate. Fourth one is revised estimate. Fifth one is maintenance estimate. So first one we had to discuss about the preliminary or approximate estimate. Find out an approximate cost in short time. It is useful to give an idea of cost of the proposed project. So how much amount of money that should be incurred in that particular time. To find out the approximate cost in short time, it is a great idea to do the approximate estimate. So it helps the client or sanctions authority to make a decision for administrative approval. If the fund is okay for the client, then we can proceed with the forward steps. Otherwise, they can drop the project. So for that, the approximate estimate is helpful. The approximate estimate is prepared from the comparison with similar works. They can be also used for the comparison purposes also. Approximate estimate is proposed for the preliminary investigations. Approximate estimate of the project gives an idea, find out the approximate cost in short terms. Second one is detailed estimate. Detailed estimate we are going to do after getting the administrative approval. Only we have to do this project, because this estimate is prepared in detail prior to the inviting of tenders. For inviting the tenders, we have to prepare a detailed estimate by specifying the plan, the section, the details of each works, and for that the detailed estimation is required. So the tender, while we are inviting the tenders, the contractors can analyze us through this detailed estimate and provide these problems.